Welcome to this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Thanks again for liking and sharing previous tips. This week's tip came to me as a question on email and asked, how do I back up my personal files? Many years ago, everyone was told to back up to a flash drive. This is a great solution until you lost your flash drive or it became damaged. Today, there are many cloud storage solutions which are free and secure. Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Apple iCloud are a few of the more popular solutions. I personally use Google Drive for all my file backups and use Apple iCloud for backing up my iPhone. I'll do another tip in the future on backing up your smartphone. To set up Google Drive on your computer, go to drive.google.com and sign in with a Google account or create a Google account. This must be a personal account. Once you have signed in, you can drag your files onto your new drive and reorganize as needed. Google Drive is free for the first 15 gig of storage, and then there is a minimal cost to upgrade to 100 gig. To make things easier, check out installing Google Drive directly on your computer. More information and instructional links are located at kaneroe.org/TuesdayTechTip.